Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a sudden rush of anger or frustration? Do you struggle to understand why certain situations trigger such strong emotional responses? We've all been there. Navigating the complex world of emotions can be challenging. It's easy to feel lost in a sea of feelings, unsure of how to manage them effectively. But what if there was a way to not only understand your emotions, but also harness their power? What if you could develop the ability to recognize, manage, and leverage your emotions to enhance your relationships, achieve your goals, and live a more fulfilling life? The good news is you can. It's called emotional intelligence, and it's a skill anyone can learn and develop. Emotional intelligence, often referred to as EQ, is the key to unlocking a world of personal and professional success. By delving into the depths of our emotional landscape, we gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and others, paving the way for more meaningful connections and greater self-awareness. Welcome to PsyEduInsights, your trusted companion on the journey to mastering emotional intelligence. Our mission is to provide you with practical tools and insights to help you navigate the intricacies of human emotions. Through our research-backed articles, engaging workshops, and interactive resources, we empower individuals to develop their emotional intelligence and unlock their full potential. At PsyEduInsights, we believe that emotional intelligence is not a fixed trait, but rather a set of skills that can be cultivated and honed over time. Our team of experts, led by renowned psychologist and author Daniel Goleman, is dedicated to providing you with the knowledge and guidance you need to embark on this transformative journey. Emotional intelligence is the ability to understand and manage your own emotions and those of the people around you. It's made up of 5 key elements: self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. These elements work together to help you navigate the complexities of human interaction and achieve your goals. Imagine this: you're working on a challenging project with a tight deadline. Suddenly, a colleague criticizes your work, leaving you feeling frustrated and disheartened. A person with high emotional intelligence would recognize these feelings, understand their source, and choose a constructive way to address the situation. They might take a moment to calm down, reframe their perspective, and then approach their colleague to discuss the feedback in a calm and professional manner. Section 4. Mastering Your Emotions, a step-by-step guide. Developing emotional intelligence is a journey, not a destination. It's about making small, consistent efforts to cultivate self-awareness, manage your emotions effectively, and build stronger relationships with others. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Step 1. Cultivate self-awareness. Pay attention to your emotions and how they influence your thoughts and behaviors. Keep a journal to track your emotional responses to different situations. Step 2. Practice self-regulation. Learn to manage your emotions effectively. When you experience a strong emotion, take a few deep breaths, count to 10, or engage in a calming activity before reacting. Step 3. Boost your motivation. Set clear goals and find ways to stay motivated even when facing challenges. Break down large goals into smaller, more manageable steps and celebrate your successes along the way. Step 4. Develop empathy. Try to see things from other people's perspectives and understand their feelings. Listen attentively when others are speaking and ask clarifying questions to ensure you understand their point of view. Step 5. Enhance your social skills. Focus on building strong, healthy relationships with others. Practice effective communication, conflict resolution, and teamwork skills. Section 5. Thank you for embracing emotional intelligence. Thank you for joining us on this journey to explore the transformative power of emotional intelligence. Remember, developing your EQ is an ongoing process. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never stop learning and growing. At PsyEduInsights, we're here to support you every step of the way. Visit our website or contact us today to discover a wealth of resources designed to help you master your emotions and unlock your full potential.